for you.
In order to take the old headlight out, there was a felt panel that was removed, and then there's 5 8mm bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So once you loosen those, unclip this as well, and then pull or push this out. You'll notice that the only weatherproofing is this strip between this and that. For this, you'll need to scrape it off and reapply some. So I bought this DAP silicone sealant that I'm going to apply and just put a bead around and then put it back on. I'm using a flathead screwdriver to remove the old sealant.